Hello, welcome back again to this channel. If you're new to this channel, you can go back and check all our videos, and you can see there's so many videos on different topics. And uh, when you are there, feel free to subscribe to our channels. It's a travel automotive channel. It shows you many mechanical things, video for many mechanical things and autos, cars, travel, everything. Just go check that channel and support the channel by hitting that subscribe button. This video here is about uh, this heater, which is also a AC unit. This is what hits the houses uh, because of the cold weather and sometimes very hot. Uh, these units here help you with cooling and heating. And I just want to show you, most of the time you just see on the outside. I want to show you what's on the inside of this thing when you open it up. Uh, you can try and see inside here. That's a fan right there on top. That's a fan, you can see it. But what does this stuff here look when you open it up? Let me show you. Okay. So right at the top, when you open it, that's the fan. You see over there at the top, that's the fan. You can see the fan itself is electric, uses electric. That's for cooling. It has to be, you have to cool down the AC unit itself, because it gets very hot. It has to be cooled down. Here also you find the compressor. The compressor, that's here, that's how you see it. They also come in different sizes. It's also part of the that unit there. So as you can see, that's the compressor right there. It's inside the unit, that unit right there, the AC heat unit, and that's the coil. The coil, um, you can see how it goes. It coils around the refrigerant, which is in the compressor, moves around this coil here, which is inside the unit, and because because it's in a closed loop, it's it moves around the refrigerant inside from the compressor moves around um, this coil, and especially if it's hot in the house, it will uh, pull in and absorb. This coil here will absorb all the heat from the house and release it to the outside of the house, basically acting like a sponge, like a sponge to capture all the heat and release it outside of your house. So by doing that, it's cooling your house. It's cooling your house. So it will absorb all the heat. This coil here is usually in one piece, but I mean it's in many pieces, but they join it into one piece so it can fit in that container. But it goes on. It's in a circle loop, so it's basically one whole joined unit. So it will take in all the heat and turn it into liquid through pressure. After it's pressurized, it becomes into liquid and it's released outside the house. So there, I showed you the fan. The job of the fan that I just showed you, the fan blows it and helps the heat that's being sucked in move around the coils. By doing that, through the fan blowing, it helps all the heat flow into the coils and turns into liquids. And in the process, it's in that process, it's cooling your house, cooling your air, and circulates the air out through the air ducts in the house. So that's a basic, simple way of explaining how it works, um, from the compressor to the coils, which then push all the air out through the air ducts in your house, and in the process, it cool downs your house. So basically, that's basically a short video to show you what's usually in those SE units when you see them outside the house. Their work is very important. Everything in there, from the fan to the compressor, which you see here. This is a huge house compressor. This is very huge. And to the coils, um, you can check more on this. It's very important to know. So if you have any issue in your house, if your house is not cooling down, or in the other process, if it's no there is no heat coming into your house, you can easily know the components of your unit, and you can know what to check. It's a very short video. If you have any question, you can ask there in the comment section. We'll answer. I'm definitely somebody who knows the answer will chip in and answer. If you have any comments, you can also leave there in the comment section. Let us know what you think about the video. And also, you're free and welcome to subscribe to this channel and keep on watching all our other videos. Okay, I hope you have a good day. If you have any question, you can ask, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, thank you. Bye.